Following your doctor's advice is crucial to protecting your personal injury claim. Ignoring your doctor's orders or missing your appointments can really hurt your case. And remember, everything we're going over today is right here in this book, The Top 10 Things Never to Say or Do with an Insurance Adjuster. It's on the website. It's free. All you have to do is go download it. So please go download it. I encourage you to do so. It's chock full of information that will help protect you against the dirty and shady tricks that the adjusters always try to pull. So the very first thing I want to talk about is listen to your doctor. Now, I'm not a doctor. I don't play one on TV. I listen to my doctor, and I ask everybody that I represent to listen to their doctor too. So what does that mean? That means if the doctor says that you still need to treat, you need to listen to your doctor and take your doctor's advice. You don't need to play doctor. You don't need to listen to your mama or Aunt Susie or the lady down the street or the woman who sits next to you in church. You need to listen to your doctor. Your doctor is the one who's treating you, particularly if this is a trauma-trained medical doctor who is telling you that you've been severely hurt and you need to follow a program of regimen, exercises, treatment, these kind of things. You need to follow it, because if you don't follow it, what the insurance adjuster is going to do, this is just like daylight following dark. The insurance adjuster is going to say these words. I've heard them a million times, and I'm so sick and tired of hearing them. The adjuster is going to say, well, you know what? If your client was really hurt, they would have gone to the doctor. And so if you don't go to the doctor, call your attorney. Let us know why. There's a million reasons that make sense why you couldn't make it. Your child could have gotten sick. Car could have broken down. Any number of a million things. Call us, let us know. We will help you reschedule the appointment so that your treatment progress shows that you are serious about this injury and serious about your case. And that takes that argument away from the adjuster, and he cannot use your life circumstances as an excuse to not pay you what you rightfully deserve. You know, this is particularly important when it comes to diagnostic tests. If your doctor, for instance, orders an MRI or a CT scan, X-ray, or anything else, go to them, complete them. Skipping tests and not having the test run gives the adjusters a chance to claim that your injuries aren't real, and they will do that every time. Now, there's a million different reasons why you would need an MRI. Typically an MRI, because remember, an X-ray only shows hard stuff like bones. That's what an X-ray shows. So an X-ray will show like your femur. They'll show the bones in your leg. They'll show the vertebrae in your spine, but what an X-ray won't do, it won't do soft tissue. So it does not do discs and things like that. And so you need that to show if you've had a disc impingement. So if a doctor orders an MRI, go get it done. If he orders any other kind of test, get it done. And again, this all goes back to please follow your doctor's instructions and orders, because if you do not, you become the insurance adjuster's dream. Now listen, they go to bed dreaming about cheating people out of what they really deserve. Let's don't let him do that to you. So follow your doctor's advice and do as the doctor asks. Let me tell you, at John Michael Bailey Injury Lawyers, we pride ourselves on aggressively gathering the evidence to prove your claim. So we're aggressive about getting the property damage, because we feel like that if you can prove the impact, you can prove the injury, because force has to go somewhere. It goes into the human body and does the trauma that you were suffering. We believe you when you say you're hurt. But listen, witness accounts, all that kind of stuff, all that's great. But the most important thing is the medical evidence, the causation that the doctor can say, yes, my client was hurt in this accident, and this is the damage that was done to them, and these are the treatments that I prescribed, and my client followed my instructions and has made as good a recovery as my patient has made as good a recovery as can possibly be expected. That is the most important evidence in your claim. So please, again, I hate to sound like a broken record, but here it is again. Please go to the doctor like you're supposed to, do as the doctor asks, get the test done that the doctor recommends, follow all the instructions of your doctor. Don't quit treating, because when you quit treating before the doctor tells you to quit treating, the adjuster will use it against you. We see it every day. Remember, your injuries, your pain, your psychological pain, the interruption to your life, all of these things are real. We believe you. We want to help you. Following medical advice ensures that your claim is supported by medical evidence. You do that, we'll take care of the rest. Again, we're not trying to monetize this channel. We're trying to spread information. Please, if you have any questions or comments, tell us your opinions about what I'm saying. If you have any other issues that you think we need to be talking about, please put it in the comments. We read every comment. We respond to every comment. If you have any issues, put them in there. We would be more than happy to reach back out and help you any way that we can. We know here on YouTube, one of the things that helps us grow the channel and get this information out, we have to keep a couple of people happy, and that's a grumpy old man named Mr. Algo Rhythm and his equally grumpy girlfriend, Miss Analytics. So please like, subscribe, share, comment, engage with us. Tell your friends, call them up, send them smoke signals, emails. You know, you can throw a rock through their window, but if you do, don't put my name on that rock. But anyway, spread the word every way that you can. Finally, if you're hurt, you know who to call. 888-WE-FIGHT, John Michael Bailey, Injury Lawyers. If you're hurting, we are working, and you know we will fight for you while you focus on healing. Lastly, if you can hear my voice, I wish you peace and joy, and as always, I hope to talk to everybody real soon. 888-WE-FIGHT.